Good morning.
Sweaty balls.
Hi, we just finished a tunnel.
Double pocket all that times, Mr. Get off on.
Good morning. We're finishing a tunnel today. Yeah.
Today we're gonna run a 40-foot sewer line in 4-inch, tie into a 6-inch PVC city main. We're gonna install a brand new Navian 180 S2. We're gonna go underneath the house and we're gonna chop out her stack. We're gonna run a 50-foot 2-inch kitchen line, tie into the back end of the stack, and then run the stack out kitty corner to where that clean out is over there, tie in there, and then we'll be done. Simple.
Precisely.
It's still sideways. See, when you see it like that,
Pyramid
it is going to be
situation.
like the phone. Like,
We already did a little bit of strappage.
what I don't like about this is a water line being right next to the pipe. Ugh, almost threw up.
Ew. Boom bop, bam.
Oh,
Type of
it's glossy.
It's glizzy.
It's glitz.
Right here?
Are you gonna fart? Thank you for that.
Yes,
This is a great angle.
Yes, you can.
Amanda, saws off. I see Amanda's handiwork over here.
What? Oh yeah, it's not the best.
Hey, stop leaking. Where's the level?
I think there's a level floating around over there.
Ow!
I just want to know who repiped it.
Okay. We need to get that 1.5 inch plugged in. This is gonna have to get cut out. So, give me
You want me
tape
you want
measure.
to get?
You're not crazy.
Yay! I'm a triangle. We don't have any 2-inch on the truck, do we?
Yeah.
Oh, what the fuck?
Meh. Give me the drill dough with the screw, please. We're gonna have to lift this up.
Hey, Chris,
Ah!
this drain line,
Yeah,
all of it is tubular.
that's why we have that tubular adapter, and then the 1.5 inch either coupling or the 1.5 inch P-trap will go in there. Capiche?
Yep.
Bring the bucket. I'm gonna put one more strap over here, and then we're gonna be done over here until tomorrow. Oh look, shark bites.
And why are these so bad?
Because they are a mechanical fitting. They're really not supposed to be underground. Although they say they can, they're not supposed to be. Also, they're made with crap material.
1.5 inch 45.
Glue primer.
Totally tubular, dog.
Is it
I got it. It's right here.
You already got that hooked up?
Yep.
No.
Yep.
Shut up. No, I'm serious. Shut the
This Schedule 80 Santee is the first time I've ever seen something like this.
Yeah.
Schedule 80 gray, all the way back here.
Oh, way back there?
Yeah.
What's it connected to?
This shower and then this 3-inch line.
The drain?
Yeah.
That's a side inlet. It's not a Santee. So it's a Santee with side inlet. Look how far. Oh. What do you mean you guys aren't going to be done tomorrow? Hello.
No way, bro.
Let's plug this in. Beautiful. Cut a piece of 3-inch, 6 inches long.
You're my hero.
Oh, yeah.
Or what is that?
A foot.
A foot? So let's go with 16.
This has been on my head for like 5 minutes.
What the fuck is this happening?
Next time on then.
All right, Jordan. Cut it at the next coupling. Poop snowball fight.
No, go. Ready? 1, 2, pop it like it's hot.